Morning friends, Russell here, coming to you from the shop again. What I want to talk to you about today is a common yet not so common problem we see with the Porsche Boxsters and Porsche Carrera, specifically the 986 and 996. As I said, it's not that common of a problem, but if it does happen, it'll drive you batty trying to figure out how to fix it. And what I'm talking about is if you're trying to fill the vehicle with fuel and it backs up on you. We've seen this on multiple different types of vehicles, Mercedes, a couple of times it's happened to us on these Porsches, where you go to fill it with gas and it immediately backflows back out the tank. And that's indicative that the vent system is not opening properly. So I'm going to pick the camera up and show you specifically what to look for to make sure your system's working right, and specifically how to check, specifically which fuses to check for if the system is not working correctly. So I'll pick the camera up here and we'll take a look. Now, as you can see, this is a Gen 1 986 Boxster, and it's you know, from the windshield forward, fuel system and everything, it's pretty much identical to the 996 Carrera. So this applies to both vehicles. So what we're talking about is, imagine if you will, you know, you've got your fuel nozzle in, you're pumping gas, and it just backflows back out at you. So what that is saying is the tank vent system hasn't opened up. The way the Porsches tell it to open is through a mechanically operated electrical servo. So if you listen, I'll be real quiet here. If you listen, you can hear it open. You hear that click. All right, so the system's operating properly, and I'm gonna pull a fuse and let you hear the lack of noise if the system is not operating properly. No click. So the valve's not opening up. So specifically what we're looking for, flashlight will help. Specifically what we're looking for is fuse Echo, as E as in Echo, 6. And they're lettered from the top, A, B, C, D, E, and then the 6th fuse over. It's a 7.5 amp fuse. Let's see if I can get, that works. 7.5 amp fuse, and it goes right there. So obviously this is a good fuse, so I'm going to put it right back in. But if you look in the fuse chart for the vehicles, right? Echo 6 is terminal 30, telephone info system. So it's not really marked for what we're using it for. It's marked for the telephone and the info system. So what happens a lot of times is there's a pigtail, a connector under the driver's seat for the telephone info system. And let's do better lighting. So there's a electrical connector under the driver's seat for the telephone/info system. And of course, these convertibles, or they have sunroofs or windows are down, you get a little bit of moisture in the floor and it can short across that telephone connector, which then blows the fuse. So if you're having problems pumping gas into your 986 Boxster or your 996 Carrera, the first thing you check is fuse number Echo 6, 7.5 amp fuse, and make sure that fuse is good. If the fuse is blown, go ahead and slap a new one in there, get your vehicle filled up with gas, and then you need to find out why did it blow. More than likely, it's a little bit of moisture shorted across the contacts for that telephone system that almost none of these cars came with, but the connector's still underneath the driver's seat. The best thing I've found for fixing that is essentially take a Ziploc bag, wrap it around it, duct tape it, whatever. Get it up where it can't get wet, and it'll fix that problem. Simple, easy fix for a not so common problem, but common enough that I felt the need to address it, and common enough that when it does happen, it will drive you batty trying to get fuel into your car. Once again, if you like this content, go ahead and hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon for future notifications, and as always, there's more to follow.